that she is, then Coretta Scott King was indeed the First Lady.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is entitled The First Lady of the Movement for Coretta Scott King, 1927 to 2006. After the King of Love had long since gone, as First Lady, she courageously carried on as a wife, mother, soulmate, one of a kind. In her very own way, she fought on the front line. As the freedom fighter, one for all and all for one, she was the keeper of the dream, second to none. With the King Center for Nonviolent Social Change for generations yet unborn, she institutionalized his name. With the truth of injustice is bigger than us all, you can't fight hate with hate and still stand tall. When to some, division was too far out of range, she was the hand of hope and a vessel for change. In honor of his memory and the mass movement of the nonviolent fight, she committed to the cause of civil dignity and human rights. As she parted the waters of fear and bared the cross, what she gave in his name for all people would never be lost. Being the First Lady was not an icon in any other way, for she gave help to all people, and for the sake of him, made his name a national holiday. So as a freedom fighter, one for all and all for one, she was the keeper of the dream, second to none.
Yeah. And you know, her funeral, oh my goodness, let's talk about her funeral, because she had all the President Jimmy Carter and Bush and, yes, Clinton and Hillary. And I mean, my goodness, this was a powerful woman in order to bring all those people there for her. You understand?
Yes, and her body lied in state at the Georgia State Capitol. So when you think about it, that's the beautiful thing, you know. She gave so much.
Yeah.
And there are many people, you know, who have given so much in terms of us being where we are as a people.
This is true. And they're not really noticed. A lot of people walked in their march, and a lot of people don't know who they are, but they mean a lot. They mean a lot. They don't have no powerful name behind them, but they're very important. But anyway, we're going to get back to some more poetry, but we're going to stop for right now, and then we'll be right back. So everyone stay tuned.